Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that. Look at that. I'm returning to Dickie Dee's, man, because these are unique foods of New Jersey. I am gonna go in there and get a half of an Italian hot dog, man. Look, this is my spot. We're gonna keep coming back.
Single hot dog, mustard, ketchup, everything.
Yep. Yep. So y'all already know I know how this tastes, man, but I just wanted for those who have never seen the episode, you can watch this one and then tune in, man. I'm gonna eat it here. That's that piece of bread, man. You don't get that anywhere. You don't get that anywhere.
All right, guys, thank you.
Half a hot dog, y'all. See that hot dog right there? Just that half. What's going on, family? We're here at Dickie Dee's again on 6th Street and Bloomfield Avenue in Newark, New Jersey. Man, oh man. Look, anytime I'm like, what should I get to eat? And I'm guaranteed to get some delicious food, or I want to be guaranteed to get some delicious food, I can stop by Dickie Dee's, man. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that. Look at that. I'm starting out with the potatoes. You can't beat this taste, man. I haven't even bit into it because once you mix all of them flavors up with the hot dog and the potatoes and the onions and the bell peppers, I need a spoon. Not a spoon, I need a fork. I know I got my Carolina forks, I know. I need some napkins. It's delicious, man. Just like before. I need napkins. Be right back. That Italian hot dog, man, that's a New Jersey thing. That's what we got to do some research and find out. Where was the first place to have Italian hot dogs? Look at it, man. Look at it. Look at it. See the hot dog in there? I bit off it already. All right. This is a half, too. You can get a whole. This is half of the piece of bread. You get a hole that goes all the way around and they throw another hot dog on it for you. Those potatoes are so good. And these are deep fried potatoes. Potatoes. See the hot dogs coming through the bottom. I gotta adjust that. Onions, bell peppers. Sweetness. This in the water was $7.75. If you're in Newark, New Jersey, make your way up to 6th Street and Bloomfield Avenue. Right here on the corner, you have Dickie Dee's restaurant. They got Italian hot dogs, they have pizza, they have Italian cheeseburgers. Look, man, you're gonna be glad you came to this spot. Take it from me, your man, Matt DV. Thanks to all of our subscribers. Welcome anybody new. Make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified when we do live videos and new postings. Here's the address right here. Once again, this is your man, Matt DV, signing off this short video. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Have a beautiful day. Peace. Come check out Dickie Dee's here on 6th Street and Bloomfield Avenue. This is your man, Matt DV. I'll see you guys on the next one.